Yeah, what up, y'all? Let y'all know worldwide universe no related connected with this ain't gonna be happening every day and night. That being Playboy Street name Snoop that y'all hear worldwide universe known that related connected with together related connected with worldwide universe known. This can't happen every day and night. What's going on? That being the Playboy Street name Snoop that y'all hear. They talking to me on purpose so that y'all hear that's related and connected with worldwide universe known. Out of here. If this ain't content of Milwaukee and Chicago, on the world, and Montgomery streets on the world. Y'all know that related and connected together, related, connected with worldwide, universe known, and y'all know each other. We know each other as worldwide, universe known, that related, together, connected, worldwide, universe known. And don't like the USA government. And there's so many reasons why. Now, listen, this got a little quick story for you. Decided to tell you. So I'm at the smoke shop right here, and somebody gonna come in here from overseas on the world of my Get America streets, and supposedly from the Middle East. Although probably somebody with the law say government that's going in on the surgeries, make them look like they're from the Middle East, although not. And he gonna tell me, well, get out the store, and I'm like, the one that work here, give me a hard time, and then, he's lying about the prices, in other words, and he's talking about, 14, 4 I'm like, you talking about me? Because if he's saying you talking about me who Playboy Street named Snoop, because that's what I've known. They say talk about me who Playboy Street named Snoop, and y'all know who later connected with Worldwide Universe know. Sound like, being annoying on purpose. Out here in Lake County, Illinois, and there being Playboy Street named Snoop approaching me. So talk to them. Being Playboy Street named Snoop, talk to them. And then related connect with Worldwide Universe. No. That's plain, have cyber tone. We don't like none of them. Look at all they started. From the old wars to what they started with being Playboy Street named Snoop. Now, and as a result of that, there's already been, which I'm behind 100% the attacks against USA government because look at all the stuff. Like is they, you know, ever gonna realize we worldwide universe known and we run the world, not them out here in the USA on the world. We run the world who related and connected with worldwide universe known, not them. So that's why they causing all this mischief, saying this and that on purpose to me, Playboy Street named Stupid. Y'all seen on cameras from overseas trying to confuse y'all on the world, might get American streets across overseas on the world, and y'all should already know that. But while they're here on the world, in my Get American streets, y'all know they're from overseas. They've already been killed on the world of my Get American streets from overseas. That was on the news, and they ain't here no more. And as remember correctly, seen on the news, them in the World Trade Center, and need to remind you, and but because there's more Garrett Connard in 10 for 1975, that happened, like I said, and although some of them was from overseas, on the word of my Garrett Street's here now. there's always something somebody wants to say to me who Playboy Street named Snoop. So, although y'all got tapes from me on Playboy Street named Snoop, worldwide universe known about the law of say government on the world. And y'all know that. On the internet, on TV, rep my Playboy records. Worldwide universe known. You know why I say universe known? Because y'all, look, you know who that is, don't y'all? You know who that is? On this t-shirt, you know who that is? What if you didn't know? That is Darth Vader. One of many that's related and connected with us on another planet that's worldwide, universe known. We all is known. Whether with Dogghouse Records, my Playboy Records, y'all known about my Playboy Records, me and Playboy Street named Snoop. I've told y'all. Text y'all, wrote y'all in other words, text y'all who related and connected with worldwide universe known. We can't keep doing this every day. Here and there, man. They taking well, at least they think him her with the law say government is taking, want to take things real slow and try to, confuse us who related and connected with worldwide universe known. Then me, so I talk to them, although y'all hear this, worldwide universe known, related and connected with, together, related and connected with, that's worldwide universe known. And y'all know that already. That y'all know. From the gods, the devils, and nobody would allow us to come in the USA except who related connected with worldwide universe known, universe known that's here on the world in the USA that's related together connected with worldwide universe known that's here is related connected, although with USA government on the world, none of them. Now we worldwide universe now, and that means that we together, we know each other, related, connected with worldwide universe known. And look at all that stuff day and night. Is y'all you already know, well, I've already know y'all know who related, connected with together, worldwide universe known, that here what's happening where they want me to talk to them, approaching me on purpose. You Playboy Street Nation to talk to them. And then y'all here that's related together, connected with worldwide universe known. And there's war against the USA also. But I've heard it know. Well, this is where we're at in the USA on the world, get America streets. And as you seen on the news, some ain't here no more. But you know what? Look at where they got themselves. Nowhere. Their lives have been destroyed, and they nowhere now in the USA. And I'm going to sit here and say, well, heard about the big three on the world that's happening on the world, y'all related, connected with worldwide universe, wrote text, TV from my Playboy recipe, Playboy Street, just to let y'all know together, related, connected with worldwide universe. So I've known that because of all this day and night, y'all, they know this is happening, especially at night time. And they would creep up on me when sleep, although guess what, they're at, they're dead. And then, like, was talking about, me with Playboy Street named Snoop, But y'all know Laden connected together with Worldwide Universe known. Yeah, earlier, like, was it Small Chop and Third Floor Overseas? They're trying to tell me. I'm like, hold up. This is my Get American Streets on the world. We related, connect with Worldwide Universe known, so we ain't trying to hear nothing they saying on the world. With the law, with the state government, we don't deal with none of them, and we don't deal with none of them on the world from overseas. Y'all know related, connect with Worldwide Universe known on the world, and my Get American Streets in the USA on the world, and never is going to either. You know that's a bright idea, a great idea, y'all. I let y'all know, very important. Like I said, y'all, and then day and night they want me to get into this music, although really feel like retiring, making music with my Playboy records, Dogghouse records, and know there's war happening in the USA. Many reasons why, Do y'all want to hear this every day and night? It's together worldwide universal known. No, y'all don't. That together, related, connected with worldwide universe known. And then anybody, well, that's here, that's related, connected with the worldwide universe known. Nobody but the law say government though. Yeah. Is together, related, and connected with us, that's worldwide universe known. Yes. It's Playboy Street named Snoop. Rep my Playboy Records. Let y'all know about Playboy Records. They know there's war happening against USA and on the world. The big three also. One of the is USA. They know what's happening. This Playboy Street named Snoop. Y'all know this, so they know they can get attacked again in the USA night and day, whenever. This Playboy Street named Snoop. That y'all know related together with Worldwide Universe known. Know y'all talk with each other together, related, connected with Worldwide Universe known about the USA. And like I've said, I've got no decision making. I'm just putting in, talk because related, connected with Worldwide Universe known. I've been too busy representing my Playboy Records. Me and Playboy Street named Snoop, Darth Vader assistant. Rep my Playboy Records, making music, talking like now. Let y'all know related, connected with Worldwide Universal known. That's related, connected with Worldwide Universal known. Represent my Playboy Records.